Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you. Please pause at this moment before sending this your next message in Talkie app. So let's get started. So basically, this error happens when you chat with a bot like a long time. So sometimes the bot wants also rest because if you are writing messages continually, the bot can't respond it. Okay. So to fix that, you can just wait it for some time. So let's see example. If I like write how are you, okay, like how are you, like writing like this, okay, then I will just do like hi also, then hi also. So if I write like this and it will say like this pause at the moment. So by this way you can see the error and you can fix it by typing it slowly. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.